Hey friends, it's Mel Adair here with the Friendship Revolution. I'm here with my friend Andrew Grasek from the Bradley in Richland, Washington, and we are having all kinds of conversations about friendship and food because the two often go hand in hand.
That they do.
Food and beverage just don't taste the same when you're eating it all by yourself. I'm just saying.
That's the truth.
That's the truth. So we have recorded several segments. I hope you enjoy them here on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel and you can hear more from Andrew, and we'll be posting some different recipes for things in the comment section on the video. So please make sure that you click on those, share with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. So in this segment, Andrew, we are talking about specifically infusing your liquors, and Andrew's got some mad tricks up his sleeves.
Always something hidden.
Yes.
It surprises her every time.
Every time.
So I've got a little something here. I love surprising my guests. So doing something fun. So right here I have what I call a Porthole infuser, courtesy of Crucial Detail. It's a beautiful apparatus, I would say. It's really beautiful to pour. So if you pulled something like this out at home, your guests would be like, what is going on?
Yes.
In this one here, I have a little bit of brandied cherries, some loose leaf Lord Bergamot tea, some fresh thyme, and then some mesquite smoked pink peppercorns.
Wow, I carry those things in my kitchen
All the time, mesquite smoked. I did it myself though.
How did you do that?
I'll another segment for that.
Oh, darn it.
But this is something that I do on a regular, of course, here at a restaurant. But what's fun about this is this isn't just like one liquor. This is a cocktail that I build ahead of time, that I infuse, and then I let infuse even more for my guests to experience. So I have I have some bourbon in here, some sweet vermouth. It's essentially kind of like a Manhattan that's being infused right now in here. So it's great, and pouring a little bit into your glass makes everybody's day a little bit better.
It does. Oh, that is really nice.
Yeah, so it's essentially a Manhattan and infused here, but it's fun to have and very simple to do.
Yeah, and that's not overwhelming.
Nope.
So whereas the ingredients may sound like a lot, this is actually something that is very sippable, very doable.
Absolutely.
Even if you don't drink a lot of mixed drinks or cocktails, this is very warm, it's very comfortable, and so it's not overly intimidating and going on. So that's
even though,
really nice.
Beware, this is 100% alcohol. There is nothing in here but liquor.
Yeah, but it's great quality, so it's
absolutely.
going to have a really nice, smooth finish, very warm.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, perfect. Well, thank you for sharing, Andrew. One of your Bradley exclusives.
Absolutely.
Here from the Porthole, right? Awesome. Catch our next videos, and we will look forward to seeing you there. Thanks, friends.